Hello children, welcome back to Rini ma'am's class. Today we are going to start with a new unit, that is unit 5 and section 1, the women painters of Mithila. So let us know about this beautiful place. There was a terrible earthquake in 1934 in Mithila, a region of South Nepal and Bihar lying between the lower ranges of the Himalayas and the Ganges River. William Archer, the then local collector, went to inspect the damage in Mithila's villages and saw the wall and floor paintings for the first time. So, now we are talking about before the independence in 1934, where there was a terrible earthquake in this region, and the then local collector William Archer came to this village to see what all destructions happened due to this earthquake, and there he saw this wonderful floor paintings and wall paintings for the first time. Later he went back with his wife Mildred and photographed a number of them. Then when he went to his own country, he wrote about this beautiful paintings on wall and floor. They recognized their great beauty and got them published in several magazines. This got the attention of the artists and scholars. Scholars, a specialist in a particular branch of study, especially the humanities. So this beautiful art was recognized in several magazines and by different artists, and these artists got lot of recognition. In the 1950s and early 1960s, several Indian scholars and artists visited the region and also became enamored by the paintings. Enamored, charmed, means during that time everybody was very much were just spellbound by the beautiful beauty of these paintings. In 1966, there was a drought in the same region. What is drought? A long period with no rain or unusually low levels of rain or other precipitation. So this village was again hit after the earthquake in 1966. It was hit again with drought. The All India Handicrafts Board sent an artist, Bhaskar Kulkarni, to Mithila to encourage the women to make paintings on paper that they could sell in order to generate money for their families. Now this All India Handicrafts Board, now as there was a drought, earthquake, all these type of natural calamities hit the region, so they were unable to feed themselves. So this person Bhaskar Kulkarni came to Mithila as a rescuer and helped and encouraged the women to take up these paintings to earn some money so that they can have some food for their family. This created a new source of non-agricultural income. The women artists were encouraged to produce paintings representing their tradition on handmade paper. Now, as there was no water, so agriculture was totally hit and people were not having food to eat. So, this art was the only source of rescue for this people of this region. So the women artists were encouraged so that they can make the painting and sell it and earn some money. Since then, painting has become a primary source of income for scores of families. This also helped the Mithila style of painting gain recognition in India. Now, beside this agriculture, this is also the primary source, the painting, Mithila painting as a primary source of earning. Mathili paintings, known across the globe for their vibrant lines and striking colors, were once upon a time written by the tribal women of northern Bihar. Now this Mithila painting, which is worldwide across world famous, was written by the tribal women of northern Bihar, the originator of that place. The women engaged in this activity chiefly as a preparation for religious ceremonies and important festivities. So, it was just the preparation for some religious ceremonies and important festivities, so they were engaged by these beautiful art. Also known as Madhubani paintings, these derive their name from the place of their origin Madhuban, which means forest of honey, Madhu and Ban. So forest of honey. So from there it has come Madhubani paintings. This is Mithila's largest district and one of the main centers of this art form. This region is relatively isolated and consequently a fertile ground for artistic activity and spiritual pursuits. This region is believed to be the birthplace of Sita and the land where Vedic learning has flourished. Now, what is flourished? Grow or develop in a healthy or vigorous way, especially as the result of a particularly congenial environment. So, it is well believed that the birthplace of Sita is this place, Mithila. Hence, the birth of Mithila paintings in such an enriched environment is not a surprise. So, it is not a big surprise because lot of history is over there. This art form, which little change in the basic style, has been treasured and handed down through generations. So now, generation to generation, this tradition and the passion of painting is going on. This form of painting began as a domestic preoccupation whereby women decorated their huts with abstract motifs. Now, as beauty is in their blood, the artistic effect, so they decorated their huts with this abstract motifs. Yet each tribe has its unique style and symbols that originated from its distinctive culture. Now, everybody has their own distinctive culture and some characteristics, so they have their unique style and symbols. We are going to continue with the next part in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.